We've gathered in the Coastlands today in Umhlanga, gathering about 80 clients to really talk through on a national call where the Joburg fraud team is going to share some of the insights in the industry and creating awareness around fraud.
Fraud and the attempts on fraud, whether it is on business and on a personal space, is actually increasing day by day.
Really, as a bank, we feel very strongly that we need to come out and be vulnerable and really share with our clients what we know and some of the tips of what's happening in the industry as we speak. Today, what you probably hear and get a sense of is how we organize ourselves to combat and minimize some of the challenges we're facing on the ground.
Part of our new strategy is to get closer to our customers. And we understand that in this time, fraud is heightened, and the attempt of an initiative like today is to get closer to the customers and to make them more aware, to educate a bit more. And we hope in that way we are helping them not just prevent, but helping to demonstrate that we really do care about our customers.
I think these kinds of sessions are important for us so that we become more aware, more cautious in terms of how to actually keep our money in the bank and to prevent criminals from taking it illegally.
And what really concerned me was the fact that the gentleman was saying that they're closing down 40 financing companies on a daily basis, where a year or so ago there was maybe 5 or 6 a week. So technology and all that is improving, but also at the same time the fraudsters are becoming more and more.
I think also in terms of the phone, our phone using online banking and so on, we also think it's so convenient and easy to use this form of banking. But even there, be very careful in terms of your password, be very careful in terms of people phoning you and asking for information that you know should not be given over the phone.
And I think the awareness session today has really helped everybody and made them a lot more savvy in terms of what they should look out for in order to be a bit more preventative on these things.
I want to thank my team and my clients for really assembling this. It's important, it's a first from the bank, but not the last. And we're hoping that we'll increase the engagement as we try and continue creating this awareness and finding solutions together.